Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to Do's Kitchen Sanctuary. So today we are going to make some fish and chips, or we can call it ikan goreng crispy with curry mayo. But before we start, please hit like, share and subscribe. First, let's heat the frying wheel. But don't hit it with your anger or with your hands. Just fire or electricity. Make sure you know how to use your stove or induction. Otherwise, don't try to cook this. And then, let's cut your fish, or my fish. Here I am using Pangasius fish, or you could use any other fish, some kind of white fish, dory fish, cod fish, or some catfish from the river. It's up to you. Just cut it into smaller pieces, or again, whatever you like. If you like it whole with the bones, if you can cook it, cook it. It's you that's going to eat it though. The next one is, of course, season it with salt and pepper. Season it well. Rub it all over the body. Sorry, I meant the fish. Okay, let's make the batter, the frying batter. So the frying batter that I make, it contain only flour. I didn't use any eggs or some kind of any other mixture. So I have regular high protein flour, and we add some salt, pepper, add some baking soda and baking powder. We whisk well, and when we added some cold water, just drop it little by little and we mix well. The secret is, by later, after we set aside this frying batter, we add some, I'm using rice vinegar, or you could use any white vinegar. So at last, before frying, I'm going to put some rice vinegar. That's it. Now we are going to make the spicy curry mayo. First of all, for the curry mayo, we will chop some onion, just half of the small onion, and we chop it. If you want to chop it well, like fine chop, it's fine. Otherwise, just regular roughly chop, whatever you like, or you can blend it just like tartar sauce. That's it. Then we add some garlic, 1 clove of garlic. So we just crush the garlic, or we can finely chop the garlic, and then we add to the mayonnaise mixture.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me.
And check the oil. Just sprinkle the batter. That's it. And now let's start. Then we're ready to frying the fish and chips. The oil is hot enough, so let's put it. Look at that. The smoke comes from the hot oil. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Look at that crispy fried fish. Looks so beautiful, isn't it? Let's cut it into two. Let's try what is inside. Oh my god, it looks good. Then now let's fry the chips. I'm using regular crinkle cuts because I like it, of course. And while we fry the fries, and then just chop some green onion. So now we are ready to plate the fish and chips. So here I have the plate, the beautiful blue and white plate. So put the fries at the bottom, and we add the fish, the fried fish, on top of the fries. And here I have the lalo rosso. Anyway, this lalo rosso is just for garnish, or just make the plate full. Just kidding, I'm going to eat it anyway. And here I have the beautiful spicy curry mayo. So voila, that's it. So that's it for today. Video of today, the fish and chips with the spicy curry mayo. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and share. Thank you for watching.